Hey, what's up, everybody? K6DXN once again, Parks in the Dark. And in this case, is Parks in the Desert, Badlands Tour Day. This is park number 2. Got the first one activated. I believe we got like 29 contacts. Bands were good, 20 meters. Jimmy's over there setting up his favorite Wolf River coil, and no coil necessary. I guess it's just the Wolf River tripod with the 17-foot whip. With the magic carpet underneath there. I believe that's worked the first time, and it's a quick setup, and we're trying to get this done down and dirty. So let's get her done. And I believe the last park, we are officially the first activators, and I believe this one too. That's the goal for today, is 4 first-time activations for anybody in these locations. Just added. So hey, hope to work you on down the coax. Peace.